Riding a train in Japan. In this video, I will be showing you how to ride a train in Japan, the most commonly used public transportation. But before that, let's discuss the different types of train you will encounter in Japan. There are 5 types of train in Japan. Number 1. Bullet train or Shinkansen. Bullet train is a high-speed passenger train, capable of reaching a maximum speed of 320 km per hour. It is commonly used for long-distance travel. Number 2. Limited Express or Takyu. Limited Express, also called Special Express, is an express train service with limited stops at only major or most often used train stations. Number 3. Express or Kyuku. Express trains stop at a few more stops than limited express trains, take a bit more time than limited express trains on the same route. Number 4. Rapid or Kaizoku. Rapid trains stop at more stations than express trains. Number 5. Local train or Kakueki. Train that stops at every station. Now that you know the different types of train in Japan, I will be showing you how to ride a train. Go to the nearest train station. Prepare your seat car or Pasmo card. Insert your card. You can choose from the amount displayed on the screen or specify the amount you like to charge. To specify the amount, click here. Enter your desired amount. Insert money. Touch the green button. Get your card and you're done. For using tickets, select how many passengers from here. Choose a destination from the maps above. From there you will be able to know the price of the ticket. You can now select the amount from the screen. Insert money. And you can now get your ticket. Now that we have what we need, let's go inside. Don't forget to get your ticket from the other side because you'll need it later. From here you can see the train schedules and the platform to your destination. Get on the train. When the train arrives to your desired destination, get off the train. Remember this mark for ticket lane. Arrived at destination.